Good morning, Frazier here with Elegant Auto Sales. Today I'm going to be doing a walk around of this 2011 Chevy Tahoe LTZ. We're going to do the outside, we'll do the inside condition and features. I'll pop the hood, let you take a look at the engine. We'll turn it over, let you see the dash and all the lights. Then we'll go back to the engine so you can hear how it sounds. But first I'm just going to get outside condition, whatever features there may be. Then we'll get to the inside here in just a moment. But as you can see, I'm getting both angles for you so you can see condition for yourself. Huge reason why we love doing these videos. We have a lot of out-of-staters, out-of-towners. This is about as intimate as you can get without actually being here, touching it, smelling it, and driving it. But we do a ton of deliveries out of state, out of town. So, but as you can see, it has the running boards, the roof rack, the rear tinted windows, the backup sensors, and I'm not sure if there is a tow pack behind this guy. Sorry about this, guys. Yeah, I'm not sure if there's a tow pack behind that, but just give us a text or a call and we can find that out for you. I'm gonna get both angles again. Fog lights, sunroof. All right, let's get to the inside condition and features. It does have the remote start. Matter of fact, why don't we do that right now? Double lock that guy. Press on this twice and hold down. And there we go. All right. As soon as you pop the hood on this guy, it'll turn itself off. So keep that in mind. Blinkers in the mirrors there. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors, power heated seats, power memory seats. The condition of the leather. Again, sunroof, DVD player, center console. I'll put that back over there. Passenger seat. Get the back seat here for you. Middle seats here. And then let me the third row. And again, DVD player up there. And then you got the rear heated seats, rear air, rear entertainment. I'm sure it has a tow pack if it has a factory tow assist. Guarantee it. Four-wheel drive. And we got steering wheel controls. Again, another factory tow assist. Help you downshift when you're going down a grade with the trailer. But pedal adjusters. All of that there. Okay, I'm gonna pop the hood. It's gonna turn off. There it goes. It just turned off. I'll go back to the engine here in just a moment as soon as I turn it over. All right, guys. Now, I do say this in my videos all the time. I am far from mechanically inclined, but I like to get this in here the best I can for you. Chances are, if you're looking at this one, you've looked at a few others, so you have an idea of what you're looking for. Now, all of our vehicles, they come with warranty. I would encourage anybody to check out our Better Business Bureau or Google reviews. We hold an A+ with Better Business Bureau. Our Google reviews speak for themselves. We really do take care of our product and our client, and that includes after the sale, and that's huge for us. Let me try to get back to the mileage here. There's the mileage, compass temperature, all of those things. Stereo, all of that. All right, let me turn on some lights and we'll go back to the engine here. turn along beautifully. Well, hopefully that helped answered some of your questions. You know, if there's anything I may have missed, or you'd like me to come out, take photos, shoot another video walk around, whatever we can do to help, we're happy to do it. Just give us a call or a text. I want to say thank you for your time and consideration, and hopefully we can earn your business. We'll see you next time.